seconds later, drop. It's a great first run, but the machine is not.
Hello folks, welcome to Outrageous ATV Builds. My name is Mark, and in today's video we're going to do something a little different. Well, I've got a couple, 2-3 goals for today's video, one of which is to explain to y'all what happened. Anyway, so I do have a couple of goals for this video. And one of which is to show y'all these really cool new mirrors that we got for the lawnmower engine motorcycle bike. But the other thing is to kind of just let you know what's been going on, the reason I haven't been making a lot of very in-depth videos. Anyway, so you can see from the staples here, okay, I've had open heart surgery. So last weekend, matter of fact, this weekend it's been 1 week. I was life flighted. I was having multiple heart attacks over a period of about 4 or 5 days, and was life flighted and had a quadruple bypass performed on me. Okay, so that was the end of a video to put out here, and also just a little video to let everybody know what's going on. So anyway, welcome to the channel. And let's get these mirrors on there so we can take a look at them. So another nice thing about these mirrors is they come with everything that you need to install them. And you'll see them on there. If you go looking for them, I'll try to get you a link or something, or at least the name towards the end of the video. And but yeah, they come with everything that you need to install them, even the tools. You know, that's a 14 and a 17 millimeter. And there's, a little wrench. So anyway, y'all are going to see a small video clip of me being live flighted. That was quite the experience for me. Number one, since I had never flown in my life, and then for my first flight to be on a helicopter at night, with everything else that was going on. So I'm going to show y'all a little clip of that, and throughout this video you'll see some photos and stuff of some of my recovery, and then at the end of the video I will show y'all the full video clip of the live flight, whatnot of my recovery. And but anyway, let me get the camera reset up and we'll get these mirrors on there. Okay, folks, here we go. I ain't never flown before. Okay, let's take a look at them. So I must tell y'all, my recovery is going very well. I believe it's going to be 100% recovery. I think it's going to be a speedy recovery. And matter of fact, I'd call it better than 100% recovery, because I think I could actually be doing better than I have done in the last several years, okay, by getting proper blood flow. So there's no telling what else is going to come back online and actually start functioning better because of the blood flow. Right now, just got to get, the immediate recovery done, which I figure will probably take a couple of weeks, and then 6 weeks is what the full recovery is. Loosen this up and move it a little bit. This here break. Folks, I hope that I'm going to be doing better than I have in years. I mean, that's how I feel. Like I said, I just wanted to put just a small little video together, so y'all would know what was going on and that I hadn't forgot about y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in, watching my videos, and all the interactions and comments and all that stuff. And I just really like doing this kind of stuff. So I'm hoping that with my recovery that I'll be able to do even more of this type of stuff. Now, somehow we got to get one of these mirrors flipped over, okay? So let's see, that's upside down. Well, that one is right. Yeah. Put that right there. Like I said, these mirrors are very well built. If you get you a set of them, take a word on it. I mean, you're probably going to really enjoy these mirrors. Yeah. There we go. And then it'll go on. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to get up on the bike, and we certainly not going to be test driving it today. I'm not supposed to lift more than 5 pounds, in which I think they kind of go along with the overall look, with the black and the chrome and everything I've got going on. Y'all leave a comment. Let me know what you think. There we go. Oh yeah, and by the way, these mirrors are real glass. Okay. Mirrors, when you buy cheap mirrors for stuff like this, they're not even real glass mirrors, but these are real glass, and that's a good, durable, hard plastic that is on there, and these are solid metal. All that is all solid metal. The ball joint is solid metal, okay, and that's real rubber. Okay, both of these are rubber. So like I said, I mean, I think I gave, well, I'll have to look, but I think it was around $30. Okay, folks, that's going to be it for this video. I do appreciate y'all tuning in. We'll try to put something together for next week. And oh, and by the way, so you know, this weekend was supposed to be the weekend we were going to do our speed test, which coincided with the Bonneville Salt Flat speed runs, and so that's how I come up with the title of bypassing Bonneville. It's just play on word, folks. That's all it is. And we'll try to get that speed test done just as soon as we can. The bike is pretty much ready for it. There's a couple of things, little fine tuning things we need to do back here with the chain and whatnot. But anyway, we'll get back on it later. I appreciate y'all tuning in. We'll see y'all later. Bye.